Get up. Yes, you get up. Because see, life will not throw things in your lap. A lot of people want things. They want to achieve. They want to rise at the top. But are we even willing to make the sacrifices? Are we willing to pay the price? Are we willing to pay the price to be ahead of the game? That game that you so desire to be ahead of. Are you sitting down and waiting for the divine to throw things in your lap? Are you waiting for God to give you speed? Because yes, even though God can give speed, He would use the things that are in your hands. Just like He asked Moses, what do you have in your hands? And just like when He was going to multiply the fish, He asked, what do we have? My question for you today is, what do you have? Because things won't just happen unless you make them happen. I want you to understand that you are the crafter of your own destiny, and that means that however you write your story, that is how you will live it. You see the proverbial story of how you lay your bed, that is how you will lie on it. It is the truth. You see, how you write your story, that is how you will live it. I want you to know, things don't just happen. You have to make them happen. Okay? Things don't just happen. You have to make them happen, because if you do not make them happen, someone else will make them happen. And then you start to look at them and feel like God is favoring them more than you, but you do not see what they do behind closed doors. You do not see the sacrifices. You do not see the pain. It's time to get up and push yourself. Do a little more. Do something greater than you did yesterday. Push yourself a little further. Because at the end of the day, it is only those that push themselves that emerge at the top, like I always tell you. You see, you are the crafter of your own destiny. I want you to live your life as though you are writing your own story. Because that's the truth. You want more views. Be creative. You want more money. What are you selling? What are you selling different than others? Why should I buy from you than buy from the other people? Are you willing to pay the price? That is the question that I'm asking you today. Because it's not easy. A lot of people think that it's easy, but it's not easy. You have to fight. You have to fight. In life, you have to fight. You have to fight those desires to be comfortable. You have to fight the desire to just sit down and relax. You have to fight your way out of your comfort zone, because at the other side, that is where the victory and the miracles, that is where they lie. So my encouragement for you to know that you can do it. The abundant life has been given to everyone. You can do it. I just want you to push yourself a little further. Push yourself out of that comfort zone. Because you can do it. You can do it. And the sky will be your starting point. Okay? Whenever you start to see yourself comfortable, you know that it is now time to move to another level of discomfort. Because only discomfort brings greatness. Now, I hope you guys have found this helpful. Have an amazing day. This is thetobyrich.